A little bit late to do Christmas shopping, but let's have some fun. The top selling desktop computers on Amazon. All right, number one is the Cyber Power PC. Gamer Extreme VR gaming PC into Intel Core i7. Let's see, 8 gigs of RAM. That's probably not enough. $1,091. Yeah, the RAM is a little low in my opinion for a gaming PC, so yeah. I would probably skip that one. Number two is, wow, a refurbished Dell Optiplex SFF small form factor Core i5. Now this one has 16 gigs of RAM, 512 solid state drive for only $238. You know, if you put a decent graphics card in this one, this would make a decent gaming PC for only $238. All right, number three, the HP 24-inch all-in-one desktop AMD Athlon Silver. You know, these types of all-in-ones, they are very convenient. They take up less space. The only downfall is if something breaks, you have to return and send back the whole thing. But for $529, not a bad deal. All right, and this has Windows 11, by the way. Very good. Number four is iBuyPower Pro Gaming PC Computer Desktop. Let's see, NVIDIA GTX 1666 gigs, 16 gigs of DDR4, 240 SSD, 1 terabyte hard drive, Windows 10, $1249. Well, considering the skyrocketing price of graphics cards, maybe this one is not a bad deal, maybe? What do you think? Number five is Unblocked Tech Overseas. I have no idea what that is. Looks like Chinese, so we'll skip number five. All right. Number six is Alarco, or Alarm, no, but it's Alarco Gaming PC Desktop. I know nothing about the company. Intel Core i5, 3.10 gigahertz, 8 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive, Windows 10 Pro, NVIDIA GTX 650 1 gig card. All right, $549 I guess is not a bad price to get started. Number seven is another gaming PC by Alarco. And this is also $549. That's almost like it's the same one, isn't it? Anyway. All right, let's move on. Number eight, Lenovo ThinkCenter. Yeah, this has to be refurbished. Thin Client. Boy, that is thin. Desktop computer. Yeah, this is 4 gigs of RAM, 128 SSD. This is like for basic emailing and watching videos, something like that. Now, if that's what you're looking for, Lenovo makes great computers and ThinkPads. I know because I have 2 of them. Number 9 is Asus Expert Center small form factor desktop PC, Core i5, 16 gigs of RAM, 256 SSD, 1 terabyte hard drive. Yeah, something like this, if you could fit a decent graphics card, would also make a decent gaming PC. Number 10, Dell Optiplex 7010. Wow, this is from the Stone Age. Let's see, Core i5, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte hard drive for $196. Geez, I sound like Jay Leno. Not bad. That's number 10, sorry. Dell Optiplex 7010, small form factor for $200. Yeah, for browsing, why not? I would buy, out of these, I would buy none of them, to be honest. Let's move along to 11 through 12 real quick. Would I buy any of these? Acer, Microsoft, refurbished, HP Pavilion. HP Pavilion, maybe. I've had good luck with HP in the past. This is the AMD Ryzen 7. 16 gigs of RAM is good. 512 SSD. Windows 11 Pro. For $784, if you can find a reasonably priced graphics card for gaming, this wouldn't be bad. Let's see, 14 is a 2020 Apple iMac, 15 Dell Optiplex again, 16 HP 24-inch all-in-one, renewed HP is 17, 18 is an Apple Mac Mini. Wow, last year's model is $799. That's high. 19 is a Dell Optiplex Mini Tower for $386. Wow, 32 gigs of RAM. The one nice thing about these full-size Dell, you can fit a beefy graphics card in there if you can find one reasonably priced. So this one isn't bad for $386. 20 is a mini PC Windows. Yeah, no interest in that. Out of all of these PCs, personally, for what I do, if I was going to buy one, I would probably go with number 13, the HP Pavilion Desktop PC, AMD Ryzen 7, 16 gigs of RAM should be enough. Then I would try to find a decent graphics card. Not this year, maybe next year. But out of all of these, for what I do, I would choose this one. If you just wanted something just to browse on the web, really any of the refurbished ones would be just fine. Anyway, that's a quick look at the Amazon bestsellers for PCs. If you have one that you bought or are shopping for one, post them in the comments below. Take care and Merry Christmas.